So what I want to show you in this lecture is talking about a SolidWorks surfacing continuity, right? So when we have the surfacing model like this, and we combine two surfacing models, there is a continuity between these two models. And there are three different continuities, right? We have positional, we have tangent, and we have curvature. And positional is very rough. Then we have more smoother, which is tangent, where tangent relation between these two surfacing models. And then the third one, we have the curvature. So this is the smoothest one. And why do you have to know this? Because, for example, if you have some mechanical parts, then you can just use very rough transition between two surfacing models, and that's okay. But if you have something, for example, let's say some consumer products, you want to make more smoother transition. So you're going to use tangent continuity. And then when you have like automotive industry, right, for aerospace industry, then you want to go with curvature continuity. You want to have very smooth transition. Now, why do you want to make this? Because it's going to be easier to manufacture this model. Number one, you're going to less wear material. Number two, and there will be much less turbulence in the aerospace of this material. So I'm going to show you in this example how you can change these continuities in the SolidWorks. Okay, so we have this surfacing model. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill with another surface here. So I'm going to go here to the surfaces, and I'm going to go here with fill surface. So I'm going to choose the patch boundary. I'm going to just select this edge here. And then here we can control these smoothness, right? So we have the contact, we have tangent, and we have curvature, right? So let's go with contact. Let's click OK. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go here to evaluate. And here we have zebra stripes. So this is just one way to display the smoothness of the surfacing. So if you go here and you can see now, you can see these zebra stripes. What we want with these zebra stripes, we just want them to have very smooth, right? We don't want to have some rough transitions, rough bends, right? Like we have here. You see this bending here, it's very rough. That means this is not a really good transition between two surfacing models. Now let me show you. So I'm going to click OK here. I'll go here to the surfacing fill. Instead of the contact, I'm going to go with tangent. Now you can see how it's more smooth, right? How this is more smoother here between this surface and this one here. It's better transition because it's tangent. And then if I go here with curvature, now look at this. It's even more smooth. This is how you can control continuity between two surfaces. And you can control this continuity in the field surface tool, boundary surface, lofted surface, especially when you create something for automotive industry, right? It has to be very smoothly, good aerodynamics, low turbulences, right? And something that's going to be much easier than to produce, to manufacture without extra manual work, extra manual finishing at the end, right? So we can click OK now, and then you can see how this is smooth, right? So if I show you again, if I go here to the contact, now you can see how this is not smooth, right? Or I can change here to the tangent. It's going to be better, but not as curvature, right? Yeah, this is it. This is how you can control the smoothness of the surfacing models in the SolidWorks. Now, if you want access to my mini courses about surfacing, sheet metal, FEA, part design, assembly, and part modeling, just click the link below. It's free for now, not forever, but you can access it by clicking the link below.